All right, so today we're doing something a little different.
Oh, yeah.
We're taking a look at some open houses
Very cool.
in Toronto, and this is all thanks to Brad Cox
Mm-hmm.
at the Heaps Estrin team,
Yeah.
who curated these for us.
He's a great guy.
Yeah.
He's really, tapped into the Toronto market.
Yes.
And, these are just some of the properties that are available right now.
And it's a really interesting snapshot, I think, of what's happening in Toronto.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he's got a lot more where this came from as well.
Yes. This is
He works a lot with exclusive and off-market properties as well.
exactly. So just keep that in mind. This is really just a
little taste.
just a little taste to get us going.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to run through each property.
Okay.
We'll give you the address,
All right.
the price, bedrooms, days on market, and then just a quick comment
Okay.
about, something that stands out to us.
All right. Let's do it.
So let's jump right in. We're going to start with 46 Clarendon Avenue
Okay.
in South Hill.
Mm.
Asking price is $2,185,000. It offers 3 plus 1 bedrooms,
Okay.
and it's been on the market for just 4 days.
Wow. Just 4 days.
The standout here
Yes.
is an expansive 150-foot deep lot,
Wow.
which is really hard to find in South Hill.
That is a deep lot. I mean,
Right.
that's not just about backyard space. That's about, potentially, having a pool or, a large, structure in the back or whatever. I mean, the possibilities are endless when you have that much space.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, next up we have 98 Chaplin Crescent in Chaplin Estates.
Okay.
List price is $2,250,000 for 3 bedrooms, and it's only been on the market for 2 days.
Wow. 2 days.
What's really interesting about this one is
Yeah.
that it's the first time it's been offered for sale in almost 40 years.
Wow.
That's a long time.
That is a long time.
What do you think about that?
Well, I mean, that's a property with a story.
Yeah.
Someone's lived there for, almost their entire adult life potentially.
Right.
And, that could mean a lot of different things. It could be a really well-maintained home. It could be a home that needs a lot of work.
Yeah.
But it's a unique opportunity, I think, to get into Chaplin Estates.
Yeah. I mean, it's either move-in ready
Yeah,
or a renovation opportunity.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Either way, it's a great neighborhood.
So let's move on
Yeah.
to 24A Oxton Avenue, also in Chaplin Estates.
Okay.
This one's priced at $2,298,000
Okay.
and features 4 plus 1 bedrooms.
Right.
It's been on the market for 8 days.
Okay.
The notable feature here is that it's a modern, custom-built home from 2010
Okay.
that backs directly onto the Beltline,
Ooh, nice.
which, if you don't know, is that, multi-use trail.
Oh, yeah, the Beltline's amazing.
And kind of runs through the city.
Yeah.
And every bedroom comes with its own ensuite bathroom.
Wow, so that sounds like a pretty family-friendly place.
Very much so.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's really appealing.
You've got the modern build, you've got access to nature,
Mm-hmm.
and then en suite for everybody. So nobody's fighting over the bathroom in the morning.
Exactly.
Love it.
Okay, up next we have 241 Chaplin Crescent.
Okay, back to Chaplin Estates?
Back in Chaplin Estates, yeah.
Okay.
Asking price here is $2,395,000 for 3 bedrooms.
Hmm.
And it's been on the market for 67 days.
Oh, okay. A little longer.
Yeah, a little bit longer.
Yeah.
But the standout for this property
Yeah.
is the direct private access.
Oh, wow.
It offers to the 5.5-mile K. Gardner Beltline Trail.
Wow. So right out your back door,
Yeah,
onto the Beltline.
you're right there.
That's pretty special.
Yeah, so that's a pretty unique thing that I'm sure someone is looking for.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, let's head over to 485 Davisville Avenue.
Okay.
This custom-built executive home is listed at $2,399,000. Okay.
And has 3 plus 1 bedrooms.
All right.
It's been on the market for 17 days.
Mm-hmm.
And the unique attribute here
Yeah.
is the inclusion of a pickleball
Whoa.
or basketball court.
Now that's something you don't see every day.
No, you don't.
Pickleball's pretty trendy right now.
It is.
So I bet that's a big draw.
Yeah, I would imagine so.
Yeah, especially for families.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Now we have 8 Alex Muse
8 Alex Muse.
in the Rosedale Summerhill area.
Okay.
This newly updated contemporary townhome is priced at $2,488,818
Okay.
and offers 3 plus 1 bedrooms.
Right.
It's been on the market for 18 days,
Mm-hmm.
and the key here is its location in a private Muse setting.
A Muse.
Just steps away
I
from
love Muse.
Yonge Street.
They're so charming.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
So, you get that kind of quiet
Hmm.
community feel,
Yeah.
but you're also right there in the action.
Right in the heart of it all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, our next listing is 30 Rathnelly Avenue in what's known as the Republic of Rathnelly.
Oh, I love Rathnelly.
Yeah, it's a cool little pocket
It is.
of the city.
Yeah.
This 3-bedroom home is priced at $2,495,000
Okay.
and is brand new to the market
Oh, wow.
with only 1 day listed.
Okay.
It's described as having a blend of London Mews charm and Hampton's elegance.
Oh, wow. That's a cool combo.
Yeah. And it even features a garden gate that leads directly into the park.
That's amazing.
So very unique property.
Direct park access. That's like,
Yeah.
that's a premium.
That's a huge selling feature for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. We also have 163 Belsize Drive in Davisville Village.
Okay.
Also listed at $2,495,000 and offering 4 bedrooms.
Right.
This one is also very new, with just 1 day on the market.
Okay.
Standout here is the inclusion of solar panels,
Ooh, very nice.
which result in no hydro bills.
Well, that's a big selling point.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Plus, it has a separate entry basement apartment.
Oh, wow. So you could rent that out.
Potentially, yes.
Yeah, or I'd have family stay or...
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Multi-generational living.
Multi-generational living. Exactly.
Yeah. Love it. Okay, moving on to 218 Randolph Road in Leaside.
B-side.
This 3-bedroom home
Yeah.
is priced at $2,495,000
Okay.
and has been on the market for 4 days.
Mm-hmm.
Highlights here are its location on a quiet cul-de-sac.
Ooh, cold this.
A large west-facing back deck, perfect for enjoying that afternoon sun.
Yes.
And excellent walkability to the shops and restaurants of Leaside Village.
It's a great area.
It's a very family-friendly area.
Yeah.
Okay, our 10th property.
Wow, we're on number 10 already.
I know.
Time flies
It
when
does.
you're having fun.
328 Warren Road, located in the Chaplin Estates, Forest Hills South area.
Okay.
This renovated residence with Scandinavian-inspired design.
Ooh, I love Scandinavian design.
Yeah, it's so clean.
Yeah, very popular.
Yeah, very minimalist.
Is listed at $2,499,000
Okay.
and has 3 + 1 bedrooms.
Right?
It's been on the market for just 2 days.
Wow.
And it boasts a deep backyard. So that's always a plus.
Yeah, a deep backyard is always a premium in the city.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, next up is 43 Glenvale Boulevard in North Leaside,
North Leaside.
priced at $2,529,000
All right.
with 4 + 1 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
This home has been on the market for 4 days.
Okay.
It's described as an exquisite back-to-the-studs renovation
Ooh.
on a south-facing lot.
Oh, nice.
And it even includes a hot tub in the professionally landscaped garden.
Oh, wow. So everything's brand new.
Yeah.
South-facing lot, so you're getting lots of light
Yeah.
and a hot tub.
Yeah. Sign me up.
That sounds pretty amazing.
Yeah. All right. We continue with 141 Crayhurst Avenue in Lytton Park.
Lytton Park. This 4 + 1 bedroom home is listed at $2,589,000
Okay.
and has been on the market for 17 days.
Mm-hmm.
It's a spectacular south-facing renovated home with a pool-sized backyard
Wow.
and a 3rd-floor primary retreat.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, so that sounds like a really nice oasis.
Yeah, Lytton Park's a beautiful neighborhood.
Yeah, it is.
And to have that kind of space,
Yeah.
like a pool-sized backyard and a primary retreat,
Yeah.
that's pretty special.
Okay, our next listing is 115 Marlborough Avenue in Summerhill.
Summerhill.
This beautifully updated century home is priced at $2,598,000
Yeah.
and has 2 + 1 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
It's been on the market for 22 days, and it features a private upper deck off the primary suite.
Oh, wow.
So that's always a plus.
Outdoor space in Summerhill. That's
Yeah.
a premium.
For sure.
Yeah.
We're nearing the end of our tour
Okay.
with 82 McRae Drive in South Leaside.
South Leaside.
This wide lot home priced at $2,695,000
So-
with 4 + 1 bedrooms
Mm-hmm.
has been on the market for just 3 days.
Wow.
A key feature is that it maximizes space
Okay.
and has potential for an income-generating suite.
Oh, very nice.
So that's always a bonus.
Yeah, that's great.
Our penultimate property is 85 Duggan Avenue in prime Deer Park.
Deer Park.
This much-admired detached home with 4 bedrooms is listed at $2,895,000
Okay.
and has been on the market for 9 days. It boasts a family-friendly layout and a sun deck that overlooks a south-facing garden.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
It sounds lovely.
So Deer Park, as you know, is
Yes.
a very prestigious, desirable neighborhood.
Oh, yeah.
And finally, we have 69 Walmsley Boulevard in Midtown Toronto.
Okay.
This elegant detached home, priced at $2,995,000,
Wow.
with 4 plus 1 bedrooms,
Mm-hmm.
is brand new to the market with only 1 day listed.
Okay.
It features a chef's kitchen.
Nice.
Multiple walkouts
Okay.
and a south-facing backyard
Mm-hmm.
that includes a Badu Jet spa pool,
Oh, wow.
which, if you don't know, it creates a current
Oh, cool.
for resistance swimming.
So you can swim in place.
You can swim in place.
Nice.
And a remarkable 250 to 300-year-old oak tree.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, that's a statement piece.
Like a piece of history,
Yeah.
right, in your backyard.
So there you have it.
Wow.
That was a very quick tour
That was a lot of property.
through a diverse selection of
Yeah.
open house properties
Yeah.
across some of Toronto's most desirable neighborhoods.
Yeah, it seems like south-facing lots are very popular.
Yes, they are.
A lot of those.
And again, these listings have been carefully curated by Brad Cox
Mm-hmm.
of the Heaps Estrin team. And just remember, this is just a glimpse.
Yeah,
He has access to a lot of exclusive and off-market properties.
it does as well.
Yeah.
So if anything piqued your interest.
Yeah. What stood out to you? Yeah. What are you looking for? You know.
Yeah.
What kind of home are you envisioning in Toronto?
Yeah. Reach out to Brad.
Yeah. And he can make it happen.
And the Heaps Estrin team,
Yep. They're the best.
and they can help you
Yeah.
find the perfect home.
Absolutely.
Well, I think that's it for today.
That was fun.
Yeah, this was a really interesting one.
Yeah. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for joining me,
Yeah.
and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.